Good afternoon, Kentucky meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here with a look at those other headlines. Quiet conditions on the way for the rest of your day today, but tonight into tomorrow, that's where we're going to track that rain and snow wintry mess on the way. Good news is still expecting temperatures to warm up into the upper 30s, maybe even the low 40s for Saturday afternoon. So it's mainly just going to be a morning event, but if you do have any travel plans early in the day on Saturday, you can be watching this forecast closely. Also, all of our eyes are on our next system moving in next week as well, because that one's going to likely feature some gusty winds and the potential for some heavy rain. Temperatures continuing to slowly improve. We're at 39 Lexington, 37 Richmond, 36 Mount Vernon, Flemingsburg at 35 and 32 there in Hazard. For the most part, we are a couple degrees warmer than we were yesterday, expecting to hit 40 degrees for the first time in 2024. It's been a chilly start to the month for sure. We have yet to hit average temperature so far this month. Viper radar continuing to stay quiet. Clouds and radar showing that cloud cover pushing in from the west, and it's mainly just upper level stuff right now. High pressure still in control to our east, but we are watching to the west because notice this area into Arkansas and southern Missouri. Doug had mentioned this earlier. We were looking at a camera out of Branson showing some heavier snow falling. They did get some light accumulation into northern Arkansas, and that's important to note because some of the forecast models actually had that as rain. And that's what Futurecast shows right here. So that's worth watching as you head into the day tomorrow. Again, it's a fine line between 32 degrees in snow and 33 degrees in rain. And that's what it's going to come down to there tomorrow morning for sure. So let's take a look as you head throughout the rest of the day today. The system's going to continue to travel off towards the east, producing some heavy rainfall, drawing some moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico. We're not expecting anything to move into our area till around midnight or just after midnight, and that's likely going to be light precipitation. We're not going to see those precipitation rates really pick up until you head in the morning hours, around 5, 6 o'clock through 8, 9, right here along I-64, maybe a little bit further south than that. That's where we're going to be watching for the chance of a rain-snow mix or just straight snow, where in the northern Kentucky you could get some of that light slushy accumulation. Now by 8, 9 o'clock, this does start to move east of I-75, and by noon, look at the temperatures already up into the upper 30s and low 40s. So we are going to see some improvement after that quick round moves through during the morning. So again, morning plans, be watching this forecast closely. By the time Sunday rolls around, we are just expecting some light rain showers, maybe a little bit of a snow mix, but won't be as impactful as Saturday morning. So here's what to expect tonight into early Saturday. Areas along and north of I-64. That's where we're looking at the chance of that light accumulation. Now in the pink, you still could have some impacts there with that rain-snow mix, especially if we start to see more of that snow mixing on in. You could see, again, slushy accumulation on the roads, but it's, again, not going to last long. And I will say, if you wake up early Saturday morning, you're a fan of winter weather, if it does switch over to snow for you, it's likely going to be some big snowflakes for you to enjoy for those winter weather lovers. And to southern Kentucky, looking like mainly rain for you this time. So biggest impact will again be those slushy roads. Good news is we're not expecting a big temperature drop Saturday night, so things aren't going to refreeze Saturday night into Sunday, where we'll be tracking just some straight old rain showers. Then as you head into next week, another system moves in, this time Tuesday into Wednesday. Less in terms of a winter weather threat with this, but gusty winds and the potential for some heavy rain, maybe a little bit of light snow on the backside, but the winds definitely something we're going to be tracking for you. Could get some wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, especially into eastern Kentucky, pretty much late Monday through Wednesday do we have that threat for you. But here's a quick look at your full 7-day forecast. Rest of the day today, quiet, should hit 40 degrees for the first time so far this year. Rain and snow early Saturday, then we're left with some cold rain showers the rest of the weekend. Tuesday into Wednesday, though, tracking that next system moving on through.